Alright peeps, so I actually do a small video showing exactly what's going on in Senton. Yeah man. So yeah man. This is what the weather actually look like in Senton. A lot of wind as you can see. Yeah man, a whole heap of rain. Yeah man, can't go outside anyway still, so you don't know if to stay inside, stay dry and safe. Yeah man, but this is what the weather actually look like. Yeah man. So all the trees and yeah man. The trees are affected by the heavy wind as well. So that one is actually, you can see like it actually so come down. Yeah man. Hold on there. Oh. What that not tree listen. Yeah man, heavy winds peeps, heavy wind. Can't go outside, none at all. This is like forest, me can't go. Can't go no further people. Outside is off limits. You know, we have up of water still, you know. Yeah man. So all of the pipe them supposed to lock off and all of these things. No water in there clean right now, you know. So I could have even one little thing you can catch. A corner, you know, so well, you know, catch no dirty water. Yeah, I could have even one little catchment or something, you know, because clean water can use different from the pipe water, because the pipe water might not clean. Yeah man, so the wind actually pick up again. This is how it has been since morning. You know, it is not consistent. It's like, you know, it actually pick up and then it just calm back down. So you know, so well, yeah, that is a clear warning. Yeah man, show now my bird them, make sure some my bird them alright. Yeah man, I love my bird them, you know. Yeah man, bird them alright man. Yeah, so you actually kinda calm down as I can see still. Yeah man, the weather is not stable. You know, it is not constant. You get heavy wind and you get rain. So it has been like that. You know. Other places might actually get it kind of different, maybe constantly. But this is how it is in St. Anne. Yeah man. So I kind of just jump outside a little bit and just kind of show you how the outside actually stay. Rain a fall still, but I just want to show you what I go on. Yeah man, see that? Yeah man, heavy winds. Yeah man, all the breadfruit tree look like it's so drop. I'm a small one still, but yeah man. Heavy wind peeps, heavy wind. Yeah man, this is what it is, how it look in the center, you know. Yeah man, I can't come out of rain back. Show now my banana tree. Gone a ground. Yeah man, no banana tree again, everything gone. Yeah man, can I run little bit and show you? Oh God, see that? Yeah man. Yeah, try you. Why peeps you just try to stay safe here man, because I tell them we don't know what I go and look more, I swear. most thing we can actually do is just ask Father God for just guide and protect you, you know. Don't know so Jamaica bless already still. Yeah man, but still have to give thanks and praise. Not to say, anytime when trouble alone take you, if you remember God, if you remember God at all times. You understand? Yeah man, because some people they want to remember God when they are in trouble. And it should not be like that. Remember him at all times and give him thanks in a good time and in a bad time. Yeah man. So this is a crucial time where we actually in. Yeah man. You can't watch a big tree that you know, you have to drop him in. Yeah man, but there's one love still, you know. One Jamaica same way, one people. Yeah man. Also you can actually comment in the comment section, where are you? You know, we can actually share experience based on what is actually going on in Jamaica. Yeah man, can just comment and just tell what go on in your parish, or you know, where you're located. You don't have to be exact, but yeah man, just an update, you know. Yeah man, see what go on in our country. I take a check for my bird, I'm gonna send my bird, alright. Yeah man, so I peep my bird, my peeps. Yeah man, so I make sure I feed them this morning. They kinda wet up still, but yeah man. They kinda wet up still, but at least them alright, you know. Yeah man, all this banana tree gone, brother. They're almost ready to him. Shaja. Yeah man, heavy wind peeps, heavy wind, heavy wind, heavy wind. Yeah man. China youth. Whole heap of breeze and whole heap of rain. Yeah man, whole heap of breeze, people, whole heap of breeze. That's it. Yeah man, so just keep posted, you know. Yeah man, just stay safe everybody. And yeah man, just try to just stay indoors. Yeah man, see there? And mostly wind we actually get. Mostly wind. Yeah man. Whole heap of heavy breeze. Yeah man, see it there? So me talk about peeps. Yeah man, whole heap of breeze. See that one there? See that one there? I pause that one there, you know. Yeah man, that one that come like it come from my belly bottom, you see it? John youth. Well, we have to take this thing as serious, you know, people. It might look simple, but at the end of the day, it can be detrimental. Yeah man, you see the part, yeah. Jaja youth. No man, this don't look safe none at all. Yeah man, so the wind actually a pick up. You realize it was calm before, and then you actually have a force to it. Yeah man, that is how the wind is. So most likely most of the trees them, so you have the tree people. Yeah man, so you have it a dance. Yeah man. So all them things they will drop up at your house. So make sure so you don't cut all the tree now no beside your house, you know. Jano youth. But I just pray for this over here, man, because this don't look safe at all. You see me? But anyway, people, I'm just try to stay safe here, man. That's all me I say. Yeah, man, just an update by my side, you know, on the center side. Yeah, man, so big up on yourself, you know, Mobile, Negril, Manchester, St. Thomas, you know, Portland, Rockabessa, yeah, man, Kingston. You saw me I say, halfway tree. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, man, stay safe, people. Yeah, man, and the nation, you know, bless upon yourself, man. Gabedan family, man. Yeah, reporting. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, you know, one love.